can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at general cryptocurrency markets. Good news. We're having a very green day today in the cryptocurrency market. All coins are bouncing aggressively. Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, has rallied towards $93,000. We're seeing double-digit gains across board in the altcoin market. Is the bottom in? Is the dump over? How far can we pump to the upside? We'll look at Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin dominance has rallied towards 59%. Will Bitcoin dominance rally towards a new all-time highs? More importantly, we'll be paying attention to the total crypto market cap, which currently sits around $3.13 trillion. We have seen total crypto market cap fall below $3 trillion, but we've also seen it sharply recover $3 trillion and moving higher. As Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, is finally positive on a yearly time frame, Bitcoin is up towards $93,600. Bitcoin is up 0.25% on a year. That's good news. More good news coming around the cryptocurrency market. We'll look at news going around the market, how sentiment is improving from extreme fear. Right now, there's fear in the market. We'll talk about liquidation, why the bears are getting liquidated. We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Let's start with sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, there's fear, and that fear is an improvement from the extreme fear we saw just 24 hours ago. Bitcoin, the king of the market, has rallied up by more than 10% over the last 24 hours. Ethereum has joined the party, rallying up also above the $3,000 level. BNB, Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin. It's safe to say good times might just be returning back to the cryptocurrency market. We have been awaiting the start of that relief rally. A lot of market participants were bearish. We saw great level of extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. We saw extreme fear gripping market participants. But the mantra says you buy when the prices are low, you sell when the prices are high. You buy when there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market, because at some point in time, the nearest future, we are going to see extreme greed. And if you look at Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, where we're currently trading, we're trading around the $93,600 level. And during this decline, Bitcoin dumped to as low as $80,000. $80,000 price was hit on the 21st of November 2025. Since then, we saw Bitcoin first rally towards $93,000, gave back some of those gains, fake a lot of market participants out, came back to $93,000. Right now, Bitcoin trades came back to $83,000. Right now, Bitcoin currently trades at $93,000. Bitcoin is up 16% from the bottom. But from the all-time highs, which a lot of market participants are paying attention to, Bitcoin is still way off its all-time highs. Bitcoin is still up 25% from the all-time highs. We have celebrated the little win we have gotten here. I'm sure a lot of market participants will be fading this rally. Over the next few days, you're going to hear about how this is just a dead cat bounce. This is just a random bounce. We'll still dump to Goblin Town. This time it's no different. Guys, over the next few days, we're going to see sentiment quickly shift from extreme fear towards greed and maybe towards extreme greed. We're going to see a quick rally in the cryptocurrency market, for the altcoin market, for Bitcoin. So don't be shocked, guys. If you see Bitcoin trading around $100,000 in no time, don't be shocked. Even if you see Bitcoin getting to as high as $105,000. I believe Bitcoin is going to have difficulties between the $107,000 level and the $115,000 level. Historically, Bitcoin doesn't fall in a straight line. We talked about that as Bitcoin was dumping to Goblin Town. Market participants were getting scared. We said we're going to wait for that relief rally. And if Bitcoin gets to $107,000, would have gone up 32% from the bottom. If we get to $115,000, Bitcoin would have rallied up by more than 44% from the bottom. And Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market is actually rising, which is a good sign. It means Bitcoin is reading this rally. It means Bitcoin is pumping aggressively. You expect the altcoin market to heavily join in the party. Right now, we're seeing double-digit gains across the board in the altcoin market. The altcoin market is already outperforming Bitcoin. I will not be shocked, guys, if before the end of the week we see the meme coin market joining in the party. The meme coin market is not left out. Dogecoin is up 10% in the last 24 hours. Pepe is up 16%. Official Donald Trump is up 5%. Bonk is up 13%. Poco Penguin, Floki, and SPX 6900 all up double digits over the last 24 hours. If you look at the total crypto market cap, the top 10 cryptocurrency market capitalization has also shown improvements over the last 24 hours, with Bitcoin, the king of the market, leading the charge, rallying back above $90,000. Bitcoin's market cap has gone to as high as $1.869 trillion. Ethereum is still at number 2. But over the next few days, guys, expect to see a lot of altcoins that are outperforming Bitcoin crazily. Expect to see sentiment quickly shift from it's all over, we're in the bear market, we're dumping to Goblin Town, to the bull market is back, we're going to the moon. This time is not different. I'll be paying attention to Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is going to be a very, very important indicator over the next few days and the next few weeks. I'll be waiting for that big dump in Bitcoin dominance. I've been one of the biggest supporters of Bitcoin dominance, dumping to Goblin Town. We've seen that dump start since June of 2025. I've seen Bitcoin dominance get to as low as 57%. My base target for the end of this cycle will be that 50% region. If Bitcoin dominance is having that big decline, I can imagine the crazy pandemonium to cause in the cryptocurrency market. All coins will be pumping front, left, and center. Market participants will be scrambling because a lot of them are caught upside over the last 1 week. We saw a lot of market participants selling out, saying, you know what, it's over, it's a bear market, see you back in 2026, see you in 2027. But right now, a WGD gain across the board in the altcoin market is going to start drawing them back. I don't expect all the bears to rush back into the market right now. I don't expect all the bearish market participants to just turn bullish at some point in time. I just turn bullish right now. But at some point in time, the nearest future, they will not be able to take the pump again. At some point in time, the nearest future, it will be so obvious that we are pumping to the moon. And I believe when that time is coming, is when we'll see Ethereum start getting maybe to the $4,000 level. Ethereum's forecasted upgrade is going to be happening on the 3rd of December, 2025. Ethereum rallying to new all-time highs will be a very good sign from where we're currently trading. For Ethereum to get to a new all-time highs, we need to see Ethereum pull up around the 61% move to the upside. Historically, all coins are very volatile, and all coins can pull off these moves in 7 days, 14 days, 21 days. The pump comes, market participants get scared, and when the pump is almost over, that's when you see them piling in, believing that this time is different, we're going to the moon, Ethereum spot ETF, yada. Guys, the price goes and the narrative follow, and when the pump is here, there will be reasons why we should continue pumping higher. Just some days ago, just last week, market participants were scared to the teeth, calling for Ethereum to get to $2,000, calling for Ethereum to get to $2,500. But right now, a double-digit gain across the board in the cryptocurrency market is quietly shifting sentiment. If you look at total crypto market cap, it went below the $3 trillion level. We saw the total crypto market cap get to as low as $2.74 trillion. That was on the 21st of November, 2025. That's proving to be the bottom of this short-term dip. We have seen the total crypto market cap since then bounce up by more than 14%. If you look at liquidation in the cryptocurrency market, over the last 24 hours, more than 120,000 traders were liquidated. Total liquidation came in around $473 million. The largest single liquidation order happened on Bybit. One trader lost $13 million. Be careful out there, guys. You don't want to lose your hard-earned profits before the main event starts, before that epic altcoin season. I'm one of the big believers that the market cycle is going to end when we see that epic altcoin season. Bitcoin is just down 18% right now in Q4. Ethereum is down 26%. And finally, Bitcoin has gone positive in the month of December. Bitcoin is up 2.83%. Remember, Bitcoin dumped by 17% in the month of November. A lot of market participants were expecting November to be positive. It turned out to be the second worst November in Bitcoin's history. For Ethereum, we saw Ethereum losing 22% in the month of November. Also, Ethereum's second worst November in its history. Right now, Ethereum is up 2% over the last 48 hours. Don't be scared, guys. We're going to see more pumps in the coming days and the coming weeks. We're going to see a lot of market participants come up with different theories. You're going to hear how QE is starting, how Ethereum forecast upgrades are affecting the price, how is the Santa rally, we're going to the moon. The mantra is to buy low and to sell high, to buy when there's fear in the market and to sell when greed returns back to the cryptocurrency market. If you have been accumulating over the last 1 week, trusting the process, buying extremely in the market, just wait. Surely you will have opportunity to sell when greed returns. Let's look at the news stories going around the cryptocurrency market. Crypto treasuries risk stock recovery after shaky start to December. Crypto lobby slams ABC sensational Bitcoin article in complaint. Bitcoin surges to $93,000 after Sunday flush as analysts eyes 100k. Just 48 hours ago, market participants were hyper bearish, and the double-digit gain across the board in the cryptocurrency market has started bringing the bullish headlines out. In the meantime, Kalshi raised $1 billion on an $11 billion valuation after best volume months. Trump hints sent Kevin Hassett's Fed's chair up, soaring in the market, and group of EU banks purchased European peg stablecoin by 2027. In general, the market is still fairly bullish, fairly bearish. Over the next 24 hours, I expect more news articles to come out about why we're going to continue pumping to the moon. We saw hyper bearishness about MicroStrategy, how he might get liquidated, how my dump to Goblin Town. I mean, just 48 hours ago, we're seeing news articles coming about how Ethereum price might continue to decline in December. In the next 24 hours, guys, you're going to see more news stories telling you how we're going to the moon, how this time is different, how 2026 is going to be glorious, how the 4-year cycle is over. Don't fall for all those news articles. Remember, the game doesn't care what you're thinking, what you're playing. At some point in time, the cycle will come to an end, and I strongly believe we're going for that end of cycle rally. We're going for that relief rally. We may not get to all-time highs, but one thing is sure, we are going to see a lot of market participants pour back into the market, pushing these altcoins to higher prices. So guys, drop it out in the comment section. Bitcoin trades around $93,000. Ethereum has gotten above $3,000. Bitcoin dominance is currently rising. When Bitcoin dominance dump, that will be a telltale sign that altcoin season is starting. Which altcoins are you buying? How high do you see Bitcoin going in the coming days and coming weeks? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.